And now, our feature presentation.
Falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night.
Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. I know you missed me. It's only been one day because you're obsessed with me, and this chair is like more squeakier than normal. I don't know why. I'm so sorry. I'm so annoying. So in today's video, I have a quick fucking video because I totally forgot to fucking film my Vlogmas video, and I literally have to leave for work in a few hours. Ew, I don't work. I'm a full-time content creator. Okay, but you know what I mean. Okay, before we dive deep into this reading, remember, okay, my name is John. If you're new, I'm reading. I'm sorry, I think it's TikTok. Before we dive deeper into this video, if you're new to me, hi, my name is John. I love to teach the weirdos, the outcasts, the misfits of creations, the visionaries, the sluts, the weirdos of society, that they are so fucking worthy of manifesting their dreams no matter what cards life has handed them, no matter how many people made you believe that you're weird and that you don't deserve to take up space. Well, I'm here to help you remember that you fucking do. You psycho, sexy bitch. Okay, so, go ahead and like this video because I know you're gonna love it already because my personality is addicting and laced with literal fucking magic. Hit the like button, subscribe, drop me a comment down below because I'm running out of daily ideas here. Comment your questions. What things do you need help manifesting? Like, let me know down fucking below. I'm literally grasping for straws here. Also, screenshot this video and repost it to your story and tag me so I can spam you and be obsessed with you, period. Do not forget to check out my other social medias because TikTok might go bye-bye, but I do have to dive into this because I have to leave soon and I have to get this up because I'm not skipping a day. No, I am not. Okay, so this video is inspired by a TikTok comment I got yesterday. And basically this person was, I'm going to say it the way they said it, okay? This person wants to become a fucking writer. That's their goal. Obviously, we know that that person is a writer, has everything they need to become a successful writer, right? But I'm just saying they want to be a writer. And the comment was like, oh, I'm trying to make it as a writer. And I was like, hey, that's the problem. Stop trying to make it. Stop trying and start fucking being. You know what I mean? Start being, okay? I always say this. If you have a specific strong desire, it's because it's part of your mission to fulfill it, okay? You are put on this earth with that desire. If you didn't have what it takes, or if it wasn't meant to come true or into fruition for you, I fully fucking 100% with my whole big ass dick believe that you wouldn't have that fucking desire. You know what I mean? So no matter what you're trying to be when it comes to your favorite career, I mean, your dream career, what you really, really want to do, you need to unleash yourself. You need to let go of the shackles and the chains of what other people think is possible to achieve. Okay, you are limitless. And even those people that think they're not limitless are fucking limitless. Everyone on this planet is fucking limitless and you can achieve whatever you want to fucking achieve. We're not playing games here. This is your one life as we fucking know it. I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I love you with all my heart, but it stresses me the fuck out and it saddens me that you don't see your beautiful magical worth. So step it up here, okay? No matter if you want to be a musician, a Grammy award-winning musician, an Oscar award-winning actor, #1 New York seller best author, or whatever the fuck it is, like, you can fucking do it. The problem is that I wish, or I hope I can do it, I'm trying. Whoa, what is that energy? No, you walk around like you be that bitch, okay? Write those books. Do not stop going to publishers. Do not stop learning about self-publishing. Do not stop writing, no matter how many no's you are getting, okay? Did you know that Ariana Grande didn't make it into her choir? She was told no. I'm sorry, but she made it on Broadway when she was little. She had Victorious, she had Sam and Cat, she has her successful music career, she has all these awards and chart numbers, and now she obviously has the best fucking movie of the year, which is fucking Wicked, okay? If she stopped performing and following her love for art and creation, singing and acting, I fully believe that, like, hello, she probably wouldn't be Ariana Grande if she stopped right there when she was told no from getting in her choir. And those were her words. I forget where where I saw it, some sort of documentary, like, was it the Dangerous Woman Diaries? It was something, some sort of interview. I saw it from her fucking mouth that she didn't make it into the choir. LeBron James didn't fucking make it, the high school basketball team or college basketball team. I fucking don't remember. I don't really follow sports. But imagine if he stopped, we wouldn't have the Michael James, LeBron James. We wouldn't have the legend LeBron James, okay? You need to walk around like you are that number one best-selling author, that number one musician. Like, you are the author people are waiting for. You are the musician people are waiting for. You are the actor people are waiting for. You are the content creator. You are the creative. You are the fashion designer. You are the makeup artist people are fucking waiting for. The whole problem is that wishful, hopeful thinking. I'm trying. Stop trying and just start doing. Just start being. When you physically take steps, when you physically walk with your fucking chest held high, posture on fucking point, walk around like you are that bad bitch, like you deserve to take up space because you are a number one best-selling author, because you have Grammys, you have Oscars, like, you're performing. Stop trying, okay? You have that desire for a fucking reason. You have it for a reason. Now, do some EFT tapping around self-belief, some programming around self-belief, some EFT tapping around worthiness. And of course, I'll incorporate all those on my YouTube channel. Make a fucking playlist so you can have an organized playlist to kind of come back to every single day, full of your favorite meditations, affirmations, tracks, EFT tappings, because it's all about reprogramming the mind. The only reason why you don't fucking believe that you are it now is because you need to still build a little bit more foundation with your fucking self-worth. I promise you, you can do it. You will. You will fucking do it. I'm not here to play with you. Okay, sorry for the cut. My alarm went off and it stopped the video. But yeah, I think I'm kind of repeating myself, but I really just want to like nail it in your head, hammer it into your head that you stop trying. What is this trying energy? Start fucking being. Start believing that you are going to make it, because Jesus, God, the universe, I do not care what you call it. It's the same thing, okay? Made you and it gave you that fucking desire because it's going to happen. It is going to happen. The only way it's not going to happen is what? Let me hear. You don't take inspired action. You just sit your beautiful ass on your bed all day, stuffing your face with Netflix or doom scrolling. It's not your fault. You're doing that as a form of self-sabotage. Why? Why? Because you don't believe in yourself. I used to do the same thing, and sometimes I still fucking do. When I doom scroll, it's because I don't want to get up and edit a YouTube video, because I don't want to get up and post a TikTok video, because I feel like a failure. And that's the problem. Sometimes we still feel like a failure, so we need to get up and do some breath work in that moment, some EFT tapping in that moment, some guided meditations. Maybe you want to go for a walk, or maybe you want to go on the treadmill, maybe you want to go to the gym, something to start transmuting that fucking energy. And every day is not going to be perfect, obviously, but that's why we have the tools that I talk about 10 million fucking times, because it's going to help you through those hard moments. Babe, you really need to start having more belief in yourself, because the lack of belief in yourself and your gifts and your reason for fucking being here on this magical earth is the only reason why you don't have your dream life, okay? I want to keep this video short because I want to edit it and get it up before I have to leave. I love you guys so much, and like like I always say, please, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you magically are, tell them I will kick their ass. I love you. Thumbnail.